these are the finished products of lumpia, vegetable lumpia. And this is puri and namak pari with ketchup. Assalamualaikum everyone. Alhamdulillah for another day. Today I'm going to make homemade wrapper for lumpia. So these are all the ingredients. 2 cups all-purpose flour, pinch of salt, pinch of baking powder, water, and I have to use cooking oil. This is very hot. So I will put first cooking oil here in center. 3 tablespoons of very hot oil. And then we have to put now this salt and baking powder. And then we have to mix like this because this oil is very hot. And then we have to put water. And then we have to mix well. We have to knead this one or masahiin natin for almost 5 minutes. Then change side. This is their version here to make wrapper for samosa, especially samosa. Ramadan is coming, so every day making again samosa or pakora. So I think this is enough. Now we have to leave this one for 10 minutes. Now we have to cover by plastic. I did not use all water here in glass. This is the dough of my lumpia wrapper. Now next we have to do is we have to roll this one, whisk with some flour, and then we have to roll this one and make it in very thin dough. Still fat this dough, so we have to roll more. So this is enough because I have to roll again one by one. Now next we have to do is we have to do like this so that it will the same size. So next we have to do is we have to put her in plate because I have to roll this one again one by one. So this one we have to make again this one. Now next we have to whisk again some flour, then we have to roll again one by one. So it will become more it will become more big size. Enough for one piece of lumpia. Now it's very very thin now, you see. Next again. Yes. Now next we have to do is we have to put now fillings. This one vegetable fillings only, string beans and cabbage. And there is no sahog, there is no chicken also, just only string beans and cabbage. Just I saute garlic, onion, and then I put salt and soy sauce. It's enough. So this is already cold. Now we have to put now here one by one. We put now fillings, and then we have to and this is water for sealed. Now we put 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons. That is enough in one dough. And then we have to do like this. And then fold it. And then put some water here for seal. So one is ready. Now we have to put here in plate. Then again next. I made only 9 pieces because maybe they don't like so I fry this one. It's like pori. And this is like namak pari. And I have some more fillings. I have to eat this one with rice. So I have to fry now this one. Oil is already hot now. I have to add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Just I watched this one in YouTube. So we have to fry now. Now this is already fried. 2, 4, 6, and 3 more. And this is already namak pari. Now next this puri. One by one we have to put because no enough space. Let's eat everyone. Vegetables, lumpia, namak pari, and pori. Now we have to sausaw in ketchup. Bismillah wala barakatillah. Crispy. Masarap. Yummy, yummy. Now we have to taste also this one, pori. Very crispy. And this one, namak pari. Tuloy natin ang lumpia.